What's up everyone, how's it going today? I wanted to do a video about the OEM battery. Now this isn't a replacement by Subaru, this is the original battery that came at the end of 2016. Now a reason for the video today is whenever I was on my trip to New Mexico, as you can see it's a little bit dirty in the interior, but the battery actually wasn't starting whenever it got below 0 degrees. Now I have kind of a little amp meter in my car which tells me, and usually it's about 12.1 or 12.2, and it was reading about 11. So that's what kind of gave me a little bit of issue. Once I put a jump starter on there, I was able to get it going, but I decided to replace it since the Advanced Auto Parts had a 20% off sale. So I ended up going here with the Optima Yellow top. I'm going to put this on, see how it works. So now I have the new battery in. Fits really well. The only thing it doesn't work with is the stock cover around it. You could trim out a little edge so that this fits, but the actual cover sticks up too much to be able to put this on, so I wasn't worried about it right now. I'm going to put the actual bracket, which is a Password JDM cover, but put it back on to hold it in place, and then I'll try it out. Alright, so opening the door, we have power. It's probably a pretty good sign. Yeah, putting in the key. This is what I was telling you here. It shows 12.1. Just got this off of Wish if any of you are interested. Let's try the first crank. That's pretty good. It says 2015, so I gotta fix that. Probably reset everything here, but starts up pretty good. I thought maybe it would kick a little bit faster. It may as I drive the car, but it seemed like the actual turnover was about the same as OEM. Showing 14.3, which is another good sign. So not too big of a difference, but the real thing is that the OEM battery has about 350, 400 crankcase amps, and this one has 630, so it's going to hold a whole lot longer. And the reason why I got the yellow top, I'll have to show you here in a second for those of you that have kept on viewing. So you can probably tell by the boxes here, but I have the Airlift Performance Kit. I actually bought it last November during a Black Friday sale, but wanted to get back from my trip on New Mexico before I installed it, because I didn't want to deal with any type of issues whenever it was 0 negative degrees outside. So this is actually going on next week. Really looking forward to it. It's definitely going to change the look of the car. Hey everyone, I know it's the same video, but it's actually been 2 weeks for me using the yellow top battery. I didn't want to just put this video out here because I knew I was going to get a lot of questions on it. The reason why I went with yellow top is because you're not going to be able to tell until a later video, but there's something majorly different with the car right now that I needed this yellow top for. So make sure to stay with me, and there's going to be a new video coming out here within the next week or so. And I'll show you this new project, very big project that was actually done. Now, the only thing I have noticed is whenever you do start it, apart from the OEM battery, the startup sounds the same initially, but once the starter starts hitting, it hits fast and cranks faster. So I'm really happy with that, as well as just overall look. It's a little bit smaller, shorter wise, and so if you have the factory tie down, you may need to buy some washers or some spacers, that way you can put the nuts on here. Mine's just kind of painted right now for show, and as well as the cover. The JDM cover here, Password JDM, fits really well on it, but overall I really like it. I got it for 20% off plus a 3-year warranty, so you really can't go wrong either way. With if I have an issue, I just go down the road here, get a brand new one. But from so far, it works very, very well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.